I am doing an unboxing of a product that I received from Robert Reed, who is the CEO and founder of Ergo Styling Tools. It is a professional brush line that we use here in our salon and that I was introduced to about 4 years ago, and I have been absolutely in love with all of the brushes. They are absolutely professional. I don't know how I went all this time without them. The fact that the name Ergo is in the name is that it's ergonomically correct for our bodies as hairstylists. So we're not overexerting ourselves, we're not getting tired, we're having less pain, less fatigue. I actually have here from Ergo Styling Tools, compliments of Robert Reed. I have a brush that he sent me as a congratulatory gift for being able to audition for Aveda's North American Artistic Team. So I want to tell you, Robert, thank you so much for this brush. I can't wait to use it. I sent an email to Robert asking him about being able to purchase a brush before my auditions, and within a couple of days he sends me a brush, and I am so grateful and excited about using my brush. So I decided to have an unboxing video about this brush. It's one of my favorite ones, and it's actually my favorite size. I like how the brush came. Or at least the packaging. The packaging is really cool. Like how he has this little sticker on here that says more shine, less time. So I like that part of it. It did come very quickly, like within just a couple of days of me asking him for it. So, oh, he has a little card in here. Oh, I'm so excited. This is so cool. Okay, so I'm going to read the card because that's a surprise. So I'm actually opening it for the first time in front of you guys. So just the fact that you put a little card in here for me. It says, Naomi, Ergo, to the start to a beautiful finish. Dear Naomi, here's to your successful audition. You are destined to share your passion and inspire others. Robert Reed. Thank you. I so appreciate it. This is such a thoughtful gift, and anybody that knows Robert knows what an amazing guy he is, and this right here just proves it. So I am going to continue my unboxing. One of the things that I do like about the brush is that it's definitely quality, especially when it comes to the way that it's packaged. It actually has on here what the brush looks like. Like I said, this is my favorite size brush, and this one is the e53ci. So it's probably your average brush for medium to long hair, and it's probably one of my most used brushes. Oh yeah, this is quality. You can see how long this brush is. So a huge selling point for me with this brush is the length of the brush itself and the actual barrel, the length of that. I love the fact that I can actually grab more hair into the brush, which reduces my blow drying time, and I'm not struggling with the hair getting caught in between the barrel and the handle of the brush. I love the fact that it features a heat-resistant polished nylon bristles that create the required tension through the density of the bristle pattern. I like that when it heats up, the bristles kind of become a little bit more, they mold to the hair a little bit better, and it doesn't feel like it's pulling on the hair or causing pain to my guests. The bristles are infused with crystal tourmaline, which when heated provide a negative ion charge that passes along to the damaged positively charged areas of the hair, making the cuticle tight and shiny while expelling excess water. Tourmaline crystal is also amazing at neutralizing odors such as smoke. The hair dries faster, it looks shinier, it feels smoother, and the tight cuticle reflects light. It also helps hair color last longer. Also, the less friction from the Ergo nylon bristles is kinder to the hair, especially textured hair, hair extensions, and hair that has keratin treatments on it. The final finish is always the main objective about what makes Ergo brushes friendlier to your body and what makes it better for you. 1. The barrel is 20% longer. 2. You can dry a section 20% larger. 3. You can take 20% fewer sections. 4. you'll finish 20% faster, and 5, that means 20% fewer wrist rotations and 20% less fatigue at the end of the day. Those to me, just even the top 3, are what really sold me on Ergo brushes. I never felt that I was competing with other brushes. It never felt like a competition. It just felt like overall, just as soon as you grabbed it, it really felt like quality. I love the fact that it has that grip on it, especially when I'm using products. The handle isn't slipping out of my hand and I'm trying so hard to hold on to that brush and thus making my arm tired, giving me cramps. I've never had that with the Ergo brushes. So I want to say thank you, Ergo. Thank you, Robert Reed, for creating an amazing product. If you are a stylist or a salon, I highly encourage you to take the Art of the Blow Dry class with Brock Goldberg or any of Ergo's leading educators. I have had great experiences with them. Always remember that Ergo brushes are not authorized to be sold on Amazon or eBay or any other third-party websites. If you are looking for quality brushes, feel free to go on www.askergo.com. You will be guided to where you can purchase these brushes. I, for one, am a believer. I love them. I will forever be a customer. Once again, thank you, Ergo. Thank you, Robert Reed. Happy styling. This is the Aveda It Girl.